Hello everyone, welcome to Chano TV. First question, who is the EC of Flipkart? A. Kalyan Krishnamurthy, B. Vijay Kumar Ray, C. Hemang Amin, D. George Winnie. The correct option is A. Kalyan Krishnamurthy. Second question, Article 93 of the Indian Constitution is associated with the appointment of which position? A. President of India, B. Governor of RBI, C. Chief Justice of India, D. Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha. The correct option is D. Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha. Third question, which of the following countries will host the 2026 Asian Games? A. India, B. Japan, C. China, D. South Korea. The correct option is C. Japan. Fourth question, Carlos Alcaraz is a famous tennis player. Belongs to which country? A. America, B. Germany, C. Spain, D. Canada. The correct option is C. Spain. Fifth question, what is the new name of Mumbai Churchgate Station? A. C.D. Deshmukh Station, B. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Station, C. Sambhaji Station, D. Dr. Ambedkar Station. The correct option is C.D. Deshmukh Station. Sixth question, which is the first High Court of the country to publish judgment in regional language? A. Delhi High Court, B. Kolkata High Court, C. Kerala High Court, D. Bombay High Court. The correct option is C. Kerala High Court. Seventh question, who launched the book Modi Shaping a Global Order in Flux? A. J.P. Nadda, B. Jagdeep Dhankar, C. Amit Shah, D. S. Jaishankar. The correct option is A. J.P. Nadda. Eighth question, who won the Best Actor Award at BAFTA Awards 2023? A. Brendan Fraser, B. Justin Barry, C. Ashton Butler, D. Brendan Gleeson. The correct option is C. Ashton Butler. Ninth question, who invented the quantum theory of radiation? A. Niels Bohr, B. Max Planck, C. J.J. Thomas, D. Robert Hooke. The correct option is B. Max Planck. 20th question, which of the following states celebrates its foundation day on 20th February? A. Arunachal Pradesh, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Maharashtra, D. Tamil Nadu. The correct option is A. Arunachal Pradesh. 11th question, who launched the AI chatbot Aadhaar Mitra for Aadhaar related queries? A. Niti Aayog, B. UIDAI, C. NABARD, D. NICE. The correct option is B. UIADI, the full form of Unique Identification Authority of India. 12th question, C.P. Radhakrishnan is the current governor of which state? A. Odisha, B. Rajasthan, C. Maharashtra, D. Uttar Pradesh. The correct option is C. Maharashtra. 13th question, Gorakhpur Nuclear Power Plant is located in which state? A. Haryana, B. Uttarakhand, C. West Bengal, D. Uttar Pradesh. The correct option is A. Haryana. 14th question, Kalpam Nuclear Power Plant is located in which state? A. Kerala, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Karnataka, D. Tamil Nadu. The correct option is D. Tamil Nadu. 15th question, Singhbhum Elephant Reserve is located in which state? A. Jharkhand, B. Chhattisgarh, C. Uttarakhand. D. Madhya Pradesh. The correct option is A. Jharkhand. 16th question. Temple in which state introduced robotic elephant for perform ritual duties? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Assam. C. Kerala. D. Uttarakhand. The correct option is C. Kerala. 17th question. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Jayanti is celebrated every year on which day? A. 18th January. B. 15th February. C. 19th February. D. 12th September. The correct option is C. 19th February. 18th question. The duties of the Prime Minister comes under which article? A. Article 56. B. Article 78. C. Article 89. D. Article 92. The correct option is B. Article 78. 19th question. Which of the following newspapers was published by Dadabhai Naoroji? A. The Hindu. B. The People's Voice. C. The Voice of India. D. The Economy of India. The correct option is C. The Voice of India. 20th question. What is the new name of Mumbai Churchgate Station? A. C.D. Deshmukh Station. B. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Station. C. Sambhaji Station. D. B.R. Ambedkar Station. The correct option is A. C.D. Deshmukh Station. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.